YouTube. What's good, YouTube gang? You don't know what time it is, man. The Dan is back in the lab. I see what I do today, gang. Hot tile. Don't dash water upon it. Yeah, man, we're there with. Yeah, look like war go on, you know. Look like can of chore, and we not call foul. Yes, man. Yes, man. We there with none of that Shawn Stam. Yes, man. And he come like, he dog come here to create a disaster. Because right now, the dog drop a song named Mr. Cap-Alot. Mr. Cap-Alot. And apparently, you know, this was Khago. You see me, I don't know. Truth is, we have to go check it out and see what go on. But I was going to keep on a spam. Yes, me have to listen to it. We have to check it out and see what go on. You see me once again. Yeah, man. Yes, man. We now will up vibes much longer. Yo, road to 10K. Hit the like and subscribe button. We're trying to reach 10K this month, February. Yeah, man. We're on 1,500 away, gang. Let's get it. Shawn Stam, Mr. Cap-Alot.
But when you see me, where you go do? Cap-Alot. In my dream. Most. No boy can box me. You don't know that. Be my driver. You don't know that. Apa do Mr. Cap-Alot. You don't know that. Mine get a job a kappa shop. You don't know that.
Dog attack.
The chance with the pant up of that. Hey. And pretty girl, she suck my cacalat. Hey. Designer shoes when me stop a shop. Hey. Them the foreigner make a bag of chat. Hey, but don't suck your mother back. You know what you suck the pussy make your mad. What that? Bruh.
How would the bumbo clot go on? Wait, what?
Hey, but don't suck
kind of like the different flow and style of Shawn Stam did. Go on through.
Mother back. You know what you suck the pussy make your mad. What that? Bruh. Mr. Pedophile, you shouldn't brag. What that? Khago is.
Wait, what? I want to go on with this. No, man. I want it with these PDF files, things, accusations.
Mr. Pedophile, you shouldn't brag. What that? Khago is really shit in our bag. What that? What that? Nigga things when you want.
What that?
With your mouth, feel like a cloud. Me hear him lax in a pussy, a jump, feel like a cloud. Then dump out your grills in a crowd, feel like a cloud. And a batty that one, the alley cold, feel like a cloud. Style, pussy.
No, sir. Bro, where do you cheese and peace and then you charge about. Man, see, I go. And all these things, I didn't say any of these things. You clearly hear the man panic track, you know, just relay the message. Go on, through.
I want the alley cold, feel like a cloud. Style, pussy, you can't style me. Me never suck a pussy yet, can't style me. Me never fuck a batty yet, can't style me. Only thing them some fuck up, so you can't style me.
Yeah, can't style me. No, sir. What going on here? No, sir. What caused this? What caused this? That my friend, me know what cause all this. Cause all of this.
Me hear him lax in a pussy, a jump, feel like a cloud. Then dump out your grills in a crowd, feel like a cloud. And a batty that one, the alley cold, feel like a cloud. Style, pussy, you can't style me. Me never suck a pussy yet, can't style me. Me never fuck a batty yet, can't style me. Only thing them some fuck up, so you can't style me. About 7 hit song in a dancer, right? Remember good number 5 on the iTunes chart. Remember good enough, no song big like my life. Remember good enough.
This is just a reminder.
Remember good no. Hey, yo, my life was a big tune, you know, for real. I think that's people be forgetting chance and do have some hits out here, you know, behave on yourself.
Number 5 on the iTunes chart. Remember good enough, no song big like my life. Remember good enough.
This is just a reminder.
World boss, get the visa. Them never want the G leave ya. Them a much we get the beamer. What for Caesar, give to Caesar. Copy rhythm. Gaza indomitable, unstoppable, we're unflappable. Straight.
Please. Oh, I'm told you, I think you catch trouble with the Gaza loyalists. Yes, man. You think they're going to make your dog change from cartel town and talk and get old bima? Yes, man. One thing say, the dog say you're ungrateful, see him here. Give to Caesar, give to Caesar. You forget say Shawn Stam have hits tune, Yes, man. Don't forget about my life. Bomba. Yes, man. Shawn Stam, I try to remind you, man. Stop playing with him. Hey, Shawn Stam, talk your shit, dog. Hey, boy, yo. Khago. These accusations, you know me, G, dog say, hey, dog. Y'all. Dog, you say, yo, y'all labs in that thing. Dog say, yo, blood clear, do things to your mouth for clout. All type of things for clout. Yo, jeez,
This is just a reminder.
World boss, get the visa. Them never want the G leave ya. charge you, we get the beamer. What for Caesar, give to Caesar.
No, go on, too.
Tappy rhythm, Gaza indomitable, unstoppable, we're unflappable. Straight vibes can't dash way, it unmappable. We like the code pussy, it uncrackable.
Straight vibes can't dash way, it's unmappable. My talk like and in talk like at the same time. Yes, man, you.
Vibes can't dash way, it unmappable. We like the code pussy, it uncrackable. When we take where your gal and cut, we're untrackable. Move, it's not hackable, shackable, it knackable. Him can't chew binocular pre, me say me snackable. Bout me kidnappable, bitch, I am notable. Married to my money.
Oh, girl say me snackable, say she me kidnappable. Move, bitch, I'm notable. No, so this nice like I tries. Big up yourself, yo, come through.
We're untrackable, move, it's not.
Me take when a girl untrackable.
Gaza indomitable, unstoppable, we're unflappable. Straight vibes can't dash way, it unmappable. We like the code pussy, it uncrackable. When we take where your gal and cut, we're untrackable. Move, it's not hackable, shackable, it knackable. Him can't chew binocular pre, me say me snackable. Bout me kidnappable, bitch, I am notable. Married to my money and gun, we compatible. 100 rounds in the
Man, come through now, man. Chance time, you do your thing, dog. Big man thing.
binocular pre, me say me snackable. Bout me kidnappable, bitch, I am notable. Married to my money and gun, we compatible. 100 rounds in the drum, ready for tackle you. I know sound I select, when me select, better shut your fucking mouth or live with regrets. The best, fi do it, Gaza, no pussy test. This is
so na select, when we select, better shut your mouth or
when me select, better shut your fucking mouth or live with regrets. The best, fi do it, Gaza, no pussy test. This is a precursor, just look for the next. More lyrics than melodies, better finesse. Bourbon, tappy rhythm now.
Yo, pass the light to the X. That's a wrap.
Easy. Oh, no, don't play your shot. Don't play your shot, Sam. Yes, man, don't play with Siva. Don't play with Siva. I want to know, man. Don't play with the zombie, no. Yes, man. I'm not try war a dead, man. Jesus, please. I'm not try war a zombie. I couldn't do it. Why you not do it, John Cross? Come on, that bad. Chance time? Yeah, man. Chance time, he did that, bro. I should have been reacting to this shit. I see they jump into that, react to the dog. I say, yo, we are going, you see me? Yes, man, I was going. That man, for me know, you know. In the comment section, what caused all of this? Was it, I believe, I'm not sure, you know, was it because Khago was on live? I think this before they came out, and he was talking about, oh, Ray, Kunk, Shawn Storm, or Ray, or Cartel, or one big thing before he come out and he used to go on live. Let me know. I don't know. I'm asking. You see me I say? Let me know if that's the reason. But anyway, gang, let me know anything about this in the comment section. Yo, Shawn Storm really came with some flows. You see me I'm saying? Came with some diss too. Saying, that girl. Say, dog, yo, I do all type of shit for cloud. Say, dog, hey, dog, I beat. Yo, yes, man, dog, yo. The flows and the beat, choice, mad. Me like this. Chance I was having fun on this flowing and going styles. Yes. Hey, this mad. Yeah, man, gang. Let me know anything about this in the comment section. If you like it, definitely go show that some of us support making us dancing here. See me, I say, gang, yeah, till next time. We out. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.